The Shenanigan Z designed by Ken Onion features an AOS-8 high-carbon stainless steel blade. The 3.25-inch modified drop point has a slight recurve and swedge top edge designed for utility performance. Tough glass-filled nylon forms an open-build frame built for durability and provides a comfortable contoured handle. The knife features a stainless steel locking liner that provides exceptional strength and is inset into one scale to reduce weight. The fast, smooth flipper enables easy one-handed deployment, and the index finger notch provides comfort and safety. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The Shenanigan Z is a tough utility folding knife designed to be used every day on the job.
Buck Knives is known for quality, American-made quality. Keeping up with this tradition is the 840 Sprint Select. Made with an ergonomically textured nylon handle and a 420HC stainless steel blade, this knife exudes a cool that you'll want to carry with you every day. Utilizing ball-bearing flipper technology, the action is fast and smooth as butter and locks securely with a liner lock. Added features like a contrasting color spacer and a removable deep carry pocket clip make this knife a true conversation starter. Just be careful not to loan it to a buddy, or you might not ever get it back. The 840 Sprint Select is available in 3 color combinations to suit your personal style: olive green with a yellow spacer, gray with blue spacer, and black with a red spacer. At only 3.2 ounces, it's so light you might just forget that it's in your pocket. Made in Post Falls, Idaho, guaranteed forever, the Buck Knives 840 Sprint Select.